Today, I'm showing you how to download the Bybit app on your Android phone so you can start trading crypto easily from your mobile device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the icon with a colorful triangle. Step 2. Check your region settings. Before searching for Bybit, make sure your Play Store region is correct. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Check your Country and Profile setting to ensure you're in a supported region. Step 3. Search for Bybit. Tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store. Type Bybit and search. Step 4. Identify the official Bybit app. Verify it's legitimate by checking developer name, Bybit Fintech Limited, app icon matches official Bybit branding, high ratings, typically 4+, millions of downloads, detailed app description. Tap on the official Bybit app to open its page. Step 5. Review app information. On the app page, review the screenshots, description, and user reviews to confirm it's the correct app. Check the About This App section for security and data safety information. Step 6. Install the app. Tap the green Install button. The app will begin downloading automatically, depending on your internet speed. This takes 30 seconds to a minute. Step 7. Wait for installation. The Play Store downloads and installs the app automatically. You'll see a progress bar showing the download status. Once it reaches 100%, installation completes. Step 8. Open Bybit app. Once installation finishes, the Install button changes to Open. Tap Open to launch Bybit for the first time. You can also find the Bybit icon on your home screen or app drawer. Step 9. Grant permissions and create account and log in. When you first open Bybit, the app may request permissions. Give it the required permissions and then log into your account. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and set up the Bybit app on your Android device and can now trade cryptocurrencies on the go.